Secret of success number 321. No one can insert or hurt you without your permission. One of the golden keys to happiness and great sources is the way you interpret events which unfold before you. Highly source successful people are master interpreters. People who have attained greatness have an ability which they have developed to interpret negative or disempowering event as positive challenges which will assist them in growing and moving even further up the ladder of success. There are no negative experience, only experience which add in the no negative set is no negative your development and touch your trajectory so that you may soar to new light. There are no filters, only lessons. 22. Take a speed reading course. Reading is a power way to again may your years of experience from hours of study. For example, most grasp the strategies and principles of great lead courses in defined titles. Read them and speed reading with all you to digest large of materials in relatively small periods of thin time of small periods of times. 23 remember people name and treat everyone will. This habit along with kindness is one of the great success secret. Everyone in this world wears an imprint button that scream out, I want to feel important and appreciation. 24. Be soft as a flower when it comes to kindness, but throat as untethered when it is come to principle. We courts and quality and at all times, but never be persist around. Ensure that you are always treated with respect. 25. Never disuse your health, wealth, and other personal matters with everyone outside of your immediate family. Be very disciplined in this regard. 26. Be thoughtful, patient, persevering, important, and cross. 27. Sake in a warm bath at the end of a long protection productive day. Reward yourself for even the smallest of achievement. Take time out for renewal of your mind, body, and spirit, and spirits on the all your more important goals with will be and meet, and your will move to the next level of peak performance. 28. Learn the power of breathing and its relationship with your energy source. The mind is intimately connected with your breathing. For example, when the mind is exaggerated, your breathing becomes quiet and slower. When you are relaxed and fixed, your breathing is deep and calmed by particles and points. Breathing, you will develop a coarse dimensional that will remain cool in the hotel. Particles circumstance remembers the rule of the particles of the mountain. When breathe properly is to live. 29. Records and catalyst the power of alcoholistic did work and is an insular to in maintaining peak performance. When are all performance in one way or an answer, and it is particularly relevant to use such intensities of entities and public features for our own enhancement. If you want to become more intrinsic, repeat, I am more intrinsic today and am improving this trait daily. Repeat it hour and hour. Purchase a legal notepad and write out this mantra 500 times. Don't do it for 3 weeks with regular practice and feel that this quickly is developing. Very soon it will come. This is strength that Indian slaves have employed for thousands of years to aid their spirited and mental development. Do not be discouraged if the results are not implemented. They will certainly develop. The spoken What is a powerful influencer of the mind? These mind a diary to measure your projects and to experience your thought, writing out not only your sex, success but your trouble is one of the world's most effective method of is answering the very habit setting in a team state and develop precision of thought particles of time. Secret of success for 31 straight Straits is simply a response which are create in the interpretation of an event to people mind find that a given events result in quite different response. For example, an after dinner speech might straight fare into the heart of an inexperienced speaker felt a strong order views. It has a wonderful opportunity to share this thought, understanding that the pressing negative effect of an event or task may be mentally manipulated and context toward the positive will allow you to be a peak perform in the all instance. Number 32 read the 7 habits of highly effective people by Stephen Covey. It contains a wealth of wisdom and powerful insights into further developing your character and enhancing your personal relationship. 33 become a submitted audio tape user. Personal mastering programs and books are particles in this format. Listen to these inspirational on your way to work. Replaced welting in the time of particles or while you wash dishes in the oven machine into create response. Are a college on wheels and used to drive the street interpretation of an event car. A college on wheels and used to drive the now like your best friend. All downtime can be very effectively used in this productive fashion. Use such opportunities to learn and continually expand your mind and its vast potential. 34. Try fasting 1 day every 2 weeks. During these first days, drink first juice and fruit juice and eat fresh fruit only. You will feel more energetic, cleansed, and relaxed. Fasting also has a stimulating effect on your willpower as you are substituting the other with processing implies in your mind calling on you to add more. 35. Keep a radio crisis player at your office and listen to soothing much throughout the day. Place pleasant scents and scratch and impressional picture in your workplace by the magic of association. Your work will become something you enjoy even more and cause a very pleasant feeling within you. Blanket your time on trips such that you can spend half an hour in the airport bookstore. They always contain the latest and best self-mastering books and steps give that those who travel by air are of a group that find value in this material. 36. Read as man Think by James Allen, and don't just read this little book once, read it over and over again. It contains an abundance of timeless wisdom on living a fuller and happier life. 37. Remember that forgiveness is a feature that we develop, but on that is most important to maintaining place of mind. Mark Twain worth that forgiveness is the forgets the relationships on the health that has crushed. If it practice forgiveness, especially in this situation where it is simply difficult, by using your improtetional forgiveness muscles more regularly. Practice once remarks and slight will not touch you and nothing will penetrate your connected sense mindset. 38. Implementing your escape a full cup cannot accept anything more regularly. Particulars remember that forgiveness is a virtue that few develop. Simply, a person who